Practice Test 4. Part 2. Question 14. The opposite to alternating current in circuit that has resistance, inductance and capacitance is impedance. Impedance is opposite of alternating current in circuit with resistance, inductance and capacitance. Opposite of AC in circuit with resist, induct, and capacitance is impedance. Question 15. What is the maximum size conductor that can be used for an overhead feeder from a residence to remote garage? Number 10 copper. Maximum size conductor can be used for overhead feeder from residence to remote garage. Number 10 copper. Number 10 copper, max size for overhead feeder from residence to remote garage. Question 16. What size overcurrent protection is required for a 7 kW dryer rated for 240 volts when the dryer is located in the laundry room of a multifamily dwelling? Number 10 with a 30 amp breaker. Overcurrent protection size on 7 kW dryer rated at 240 volts. The dryer is located in the laundry room of multifamily dwelling. Number 10 with 30 amp breaker. Number 10 wire, 30 amp breaker. On 7 kW dryer, 240 volts. Question 17. True statement. The conductor used to ground the outer cover of a coaxial cable shall be insulated. Number 14 AWG, minimum and guarded from physical damage. True. Conductor used to ground the outer cover of coaxial cable, be insulated. Number 14 AWG, minimum and guarded from physical damage. True. Conductor to ground outer cover of coax cable, insulated. Number 14 AWG, minimum and guarded from physical damage. Question 18. When energized live parts are exposed, the minimum clear workspace shall not be less than 6.5 feet high. For over 600 volts. Exposed, energized live parts, minimum clear workspace, 6.5 feet high, over 600 volts. Exposed, energized live parts, over 600 volts, minimum workspace of 6.5 feet. Question 19. Each continuous duty motor of 1 horsepower, not permanently installed and non-automatically started within sight of the controller shall be protected against overload by the branch circuit protective device. Each continuous duty motor 1 horsepower, not permanently installed, non-automatically started within sight of controller, must be protected against overload by branch circuit protective device. Each continuous duty motor 1 horsepower, not permanently installed, non-automatically started within sight of controller, must be protected against overload by branch circuit protective device. Question 20. True statement. All conductors of Class 1 circuit shall be installed in mineral insulated or metal-clad cable or rigid metallic or non-metallic conduit or be suitably protected from physical damage where damage to remote control circuits of safety control equipment would be a hazard. True. All conductors, Class 1 circuit shall be installed in any of mineral insulated or metal-clad cable, rigid metallic or non-metallic conduit. Be suitably protected from physical damage where safety control equipment would be hazard. True. All conductors, Class 1 circuit shall be installed in any of mineral insulated or metal-clad cable, rigid metallic or non-metallic conduit. Be suitably protected from physical damage where safety control equipment would be hazard. True. Question 21. Straight runs of 1¼ inch rigid metal conduit using threaded couplings can be secured at not more than 14 feet. Straight runs, 1¼ inch rigid metal conduit, with threaded couplings can be secured at 14 feet max. Secure straight runs of 1¼ inch rigid metal conduit with threaded couplings at 14 feet max. Question 22. In accordance with electrical code, electrical equipment shall be installed. According to the code. Electrical equipment shall be installed, according to the code. Always install electrical equipment according to the code. Question 23. The size of an electrical conductor supplying a circuit is decided by all of the above. Length, voltage and amperage. Size of electrical conductor supplying a circuit, decided by all the above. Length, voltage and amperage. Electrical conductor size feeding a circuit is decided by length, voltage and amperage. Question 24. The electrical code uses fine print notes for explanatory notes. Fine print notes in electrical code are explanatory notes. Electrical code uses fine print for explanatory notes. Question 25. In order to guarantee good electrical continuity, non-conductive coatings on equipment to be grounded shall be removed from contact surfaces. To guarantee good electrical continuity, non-conductive coatings on grounding equipment shall be removed from contact surfaces. Remove non-conductive coatings from grounding equipment to guarantee good electrical continuity.